Ever wonder if your business is truly connected? Let's talk about linking your team, no matter where they are.
How do you keep a team in sync when they're working from everywhere? It's a real puzzle.
Well, here's a potential answer: FIBERME Remote Connect, or FRC for short. Let's check it out. So what is it? Basically, it's a cloud service that hooks your Office PBX up to the world. All right, let's get into the good stuff. How does FRC actually bring your whole team together? Okay, so it all starts right at your main office, your HQ, with the FCM 5600 IPPBX. Think of the FCM 5600 as the brain of the whole operation, the central hub for everything.
Next up, you connect your other offices. And get this, it even works with other PBX systems.
Yup, you can link a GrandStream or Yeastar system in one branch right back to HQ. Super flexible.
And for your mobile team, just add a soft phone app to their laptop or smartphone. Done.
So what you end up with is one single network. HQ, branches, remote workers, all on the same page. But the best part? The sheer simplicity of it all. It's designed to just work. No VPN, no static IP. Plus, one FRC plan can connect multiple FCM 5600s. Now bad, right? And how much do all those internal calls between your team cost? A big, fat zero.
It's really about giving you total freedom to communicate without the usual connection hassles.
And of course, it scales right along with you. FRC has plans for just about any business size.
You've got options from free to premium. The main difference is how many calls you can handle at once.
If you want to find the perfect fit, the FIBERME team can definitely help you out with that.
So it makes you think, right? Is your own communication system really connected?